What's up, YouTube family? How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Today is Christmas Eve, and I want to thank all of you for all the positive things you've done for Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria this year. Without you guys, we would have been nothing. So from my family to yours, thank you so much. Today, I've got a good buddy, David, and his professional staff over at Whitehall Estates here in Leesburg, Virginia. They have a horseradish sauce that I want to try out. Now, I posted it on my Instagram, but I'm also going to do it right here, right now for you on YouTube, because we're going to have a prime rib roast about to go on my Yoder Wichita smoker in the next hour and a half or so. So I want to prepare this now so that we can eat it nice and chilled for Christmas Eve dinner. Let's get to it, y'all. I'm going to put the exact measurements of everything down below. But what we're gonna have in here is sour cream, mayonnaise, unsweetened applesauce, horseradish, whole grain Dijon, salt and pepper to taste. Do this in advance so it's got plenty of time for all the flavors to marinate and get together and combine so that when you serve it with your prime rib, everything is just exploding. Let's get it mixed together. It's gonna take 5 minutes to do. Rock and roll, y'all.
So how much of this do we need for?
I'm gonna put that whole thing in there.
Like the whole thing?
Yeah, put it in. You gotta take this and you gotta take the...
Goodbye. What is that?
This is mayonnaise.
Oh, that's a lot of mayonnaise.
So get that. Now let's go ahead and put this in there. Grab it. There you go. And grab this spoon with the other hand and kind of spoon it out. Oh, it's fine. There you go. Get in there real good. There you go. Now take the edges of the spoon, hold it like this. There you go. And then when you do is use the edges of the spoon. You see how it gets it nice and clean?
Yeah.
That's what you do, and then you just bang it. When you bang it right here. Don't be afraid. There you go.
Menino vai ser chefe.
Good job. Alright, put that down. Now let's put some of this horseradish sauce in here.
That looks good.
Alright, so there's that. Let's get a third cup of this. Okay, put this in there.
Okay.
Let's see how much that is. Thank you.
That is 2.5. Wait, not 2.5.
There you go. Alright, take that, put it in there. Make sure you get it all clean in there.
Do you want me to use the blue thing or the spoon?
Yep, the blue thing.
Because I was using this.
Put the salt and pepper in.
There's salt. Now the pepper. Lots of pepper.
Alright, take the whisk and whisk it together. Wait, let me. Alright, go ahead. So grab it like this, and then grab it like this. Hang on, let me show you. There you go.
Hand whisking it.
Good job, dude. Fantastic.
Is that good?
Yeah, perfect. Let me just...
Whoa.
Papai craque, né, Lucas?
Oh my goodness. How do you do that so fast?
Practice.
Practice makes perfect.
All right, let me taste it, see how it tastes.
Grab a little spoon. Taste good?
Mm-hmm. A little bit more of this.
Whisk it up. Me, 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 me.
Mighty.
So I had to thank my little assistant, Lucas, for coming in here and helping Big Daddy out. Truly appreciate that, and I love it when kids get into the kitchen and help out. I don't know if you guys can see him or not, but there you go. So now we're gonna give this a taste. I know he probably may or may not like this, but I'm gonna give it a taste, see if we've got enough salt and pepper in there. I'll put a little bit more salt. There you go, and I'll put a little bit more pepper because I love pepper. And the recipe the chefs made at the Whitehall Estates kitchen, they used ground horseradish. I found some really nice fresh horseradish. I went with that because I like the texture and I feel as though it gives a little bit more heat. So I believe I put in 4 teaspoons, and then I added 2 more, so a total of 6 teaspoons to make it nice and peppery and spicy. Let's give that one more go. Let me get a clean spoon. Wash, wash, wash. It's clean. Let's give this a go. This is gonna go just wonderful with that prime rib, guys. Thanks for joining us today. Another real quick, simple, and fast recipe for you. Thank you, David, for sharing that recipe with everybody. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would feel honored if you click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, which will notify you when we have a video uploaded. And we do lots of videos and lots of fun here on Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria.
And remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue.
Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. You guys have an amazing day. Take care. Merry Christmas.
See ya.